Ulo ha. Siyempre dream ni naman. Dugay na naman nga handog.
Love, I pledge to continuously stand by your side, through thick and thin, to be your unwavering support system.
Hi love, nadumduman ko sang una nga pag-upod ta, as in wala gid tanga duwa. Ang may ara lang gid, ikaw kag ako kag ang aton nga handom. Pero bisan amo to aton sitwasyon, kita ang pinakasadya sa tanan. Ultimo pang plite na lang pakadto sa obraan wala kita. Pero ara ka gasuporta sa akon, kagahatag sang kusog para magbangon kag magsigi sa aton pangadlaw.
To celebrate all of life's lessons with you, I promise to be the one you can always turn, and the one who will always have your back, and the one who will lift you up when you are feeling down. Together, we will navigate through the adventures that life has in store for us. Hand in hand, creating memories that will last a lifetime.
Grabe gid ang will ni God kag ang challenge sa aton. Imagine kung paminsaron tato ang nagligad pertigid ka budlay ka plastada ta. Nakita lang gid nga duwa pero tungod sa pagugmahanay nga duwa nagbunga tanan kag amat-amatan na tuman ang aton mga handom.
My love for you knows no bounds and will always be there for you through the good times and the bad.
So as you enter into the marriage stage, Victor and Jujian hold on together. Because in married life, there is no room for selfishness.
Amo nang favorite ng mga words sa padayon. You are my rock, my safe haven, and my biggest fan. And I am forever grateful for your love and the presence in my life.
Pero nalipay gid ko kay bisan wala takagin pangita, salamat kay Lord, ikaw ang ginhatag ya sa ako.
You bring out the best in me, and I am so thankful to have you as my partner.
Ikaw kag ako ay isa na. I love you, love.
In this beautiful journey called life, I love you more than words can express. and I am truly blessed to have you as my husband.
For a year now I've been waiting.
Sa una, labi na gid nga may ara na ta sang tatlo ka mga buutan nga mga bata, si Klein, si Caleb, kag si Victoria. Kag ang mga sunod pa. Pero joke lang. Kuta na ta sa tatlo.
Paano mo naalaman na ilonggo ako?
We got each other too. From this moment we are here to stay. There ain't nothing we can do. Here we are.
Judy Ann, do you take Victor Jr. here present for your lawful husband according to the right of our Holy Mother, the Church?
Yes, I do.
Do you give yourself to him as his wife?
Yes, I do.
I do. Through the loving and the hurting, I'll be by your side. Even when I walk right out that door, you will always be mine. Here we are, hand in hand.
Victor Jr., do you take Judy Ann here present for your lawful wife according to the right of our Holy Mother, the Church?
Yes, I do.
Do you give yourself to her as her husband?
Yes, I do.
Do you accept her as your lawful wife?
Yes, I do.
Here we are, dear, hand in hand, no more plans.